Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to give you a quick update on the Mustang Fastback project. As you can see, it's not here anymore. The car is on its way to Oregon right now to take a little bit of a bath in acid. Take all the paint off, all the bad rust, any old bodywork, that's all got to come off. Going to start with some fresh metal where it needs to be. So that's the update. I've basically got it all stripped down, and I've got to wait now for the next phase. But I've got a couple of updates on some parts I thought you might find interesting. So check these out. Okay, so first thing is these deluxe seat backs and lower seat trim that I showed you in a past video. I've got these mocked up right now on the new TMI Sport Foam 2 that I got online, and I've never seen anybody put the Sport 2 foam with the deluxe trim around the sides. I thought it would be really kind of a cool look, and I mocked it up here to see what that actually looks like, and I really, really like it. As you can see, compared to the stock Mustang seats, which are right here, these are really flat along the sides. There's not a whole lot of bolsters on the side seat backs and on the side bottoms where you sit. This TMI Sport 2 seats have significantly more aggressive bolster right here, and up on the sides. Just it hugs you a little bit better. It keeps you in your seat significantly better than a stock Mustang seat. Once this gets wrapped in the deluxe TMI upholstery that I'm putting on, most people who are not in the know on Mustangs won't know that it's not original. In fact, I'm wrapping it obviously in the deluxe black with the comfort weave inserts, so it's going to look very much original, but it'll be a little bit more aggressive. And I think that putting that with these deluxe seat backs that came on either the luxury slash deluxe interior or the Shelbys, that's going to be a fantastic look. That is exactly the bucket seat look that I'm going for. So can't wait to get these things wrapped in upholstery. Going to be great. Second thing I picked up that's pretty cool is these from California Pony Cars. These are the bullet style that you find on the 65, 66 Shelby Mustangs that I just love them. I think they look really, really cool. A lot of people do put them on their Eleanor clones, but that's obviously not the direction I'm going. But I still really, really like these when you compare them to what the stock 67 looks like, which, lucky I've got the coupe sitting right here. That's what a stock 67 outside exterior mirror looks like. And you can see this is what I'm going to be doing. So it's just a little bit slight more aggressive of a look, and I think it's going to fit the Fastback. Again, the reason I like it is because the contour of the back dome of this light actually mimics the similar body lines to the Fastback Mustang. So that's going to be a really cool part that I put on once I do. Another cool thing that I got from a Classic Nation subscriber, Jim. Thanks, Jim. He sold me some original AC, deluxe AC vents from 67 Shelby. Obviously, same as the 67 Deluxe Mustang. That piece obviously has got to get glued on. I've got new inserts actually on the way. But these are really, really hard to find. Original, especially this piece right here. Original deluxe with a stainless center of the dash AC vent. Going to be fantastic. And this is the piece that goes obviously above the glove box. Really, really cool piece. You can see that I put the emblem on there too. It's going to just really set off the interior that's going to be black on this Mustang. So, man, I can't wait to get that in. I'm obviously going to get the matching brushed insert dash bezel. So it's going to be a little bit more modern of a dash bezel that still looks pretty vintage, but it'll have all the new components to it. So couldn't be more excited. This is going to be really, really cool. I can't wait to put it in the car. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Be sure to like and subscribe on the video. and stay tuned for more videos on not only the 67 Fastback project or my 67 Coupe here, but Nick's got a whole bunch of really cool projects that he's working on in his garage, so likely he'll be having an update for you to check out next week. As always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks again.